So let's open one journal. Okay, I've already opened one journal from Taylor and Francis. So Taylor and Francis is a publisher, and I've opened one journal named Journal of Biologically Active Product from Nature. So let's explore this journal. Okay, I'll just give you an example. So here you can see aims and scope. You can just read this. Okay, and then you'll find out what kind of journal, what kind of paper they are accepting, and what are the major you can say the aim and scopes of this particular journal. You can just go through that. Okay, for example, Journal of Biological Active Product is a multidisciplinary peer review international journal devoted to the dissemination of current development and training area of natural product derived from textile. Okay, so they are up to the point we have learned that they are focused on natural product research. Okay, and then the journal covers a broad scope including the extraction, isolation, characterization, structuralization, and structure activity relation. So in this way you can find the scope of the journal. Okay, if you meet this criteria, or if your research is if your research is related to this kind of thing, then you can just select this journal, and then you can go for the submission. And also you need to know about the journal matrices as well, that you can see here. So you can just click on journal matrix, you can go through that. Okay, you can get a MN scope here in a broad sense, and then you can see that the journal matrices of this particular journal. The impact factor is 0.9, the citation score is 2.1. As I've already told you, the citation score reflects the 4 years time period, and based on the citation score it is ranked in Q2 quartile. Okay, and then SNIP is 0.3 and SJR is 0.2, and then you can see they usually take 3 average day for submission, to give a first decision to the submission, and then they usually take 67 days for the post review section, first review decision, and then 34 days average in for online publication, and they have a 10% acceptance rate. Okay, and you can go through the editorial board as well. Okay, you can go through them, you can check it out what they are concerned with and everything. Okay, and the next is, if you want to know about how to submit, what are the different guidelines involved for preparation of manuscript, you can just go through. Let's see. Okay, you can just go through abstracting and indexing for um, wha- what are the different databases where their paper are included. You can go through that where they are indexed. Okay, and then you can see the publication details as well, what are the co-publishers involved in this, and then you can see. Okay, here at the right hand side you can see ready to submit. You can go to submission site. Okay, you can create your username, and you can add your password, and then you can sub go for the submission site. Okay, and then next is, while preparing a manuscript, you can just click onto instruction to authors, and then while when you click to instruction to authors, then they will give you a complete guideline how to prepare a paper. Okay, so editing manuscript, whatever, submission portal, you can go here to submit your article, and then okay, so here you can see manuscript preparation as well, so you can go through that. Okay, manuscript must be typed. Okay, you can get guidelines here. Okay, based on this guideline you can prepare a manuscript, how to arrange the references, the correct way to arrange the references in in this particular journal. You can get an idea here. Okay, and based on that you can just go and prepare your manuscript, and then you can submit your manuscript here. Okay, go to submission site, and you can just go through that, and then you can also click on to editorial policy and know the policy of this of the editors. Okay, editing service and all that. Okay, in this way you can submit your paper, and you can learn about the publisher as well as different journals. And this is just one journal from Taylor and Francis. Okay, you can search here, you can search any journals. Okay, and then you can find a perfect match for your research work. So this is all about the thing.